Hey, Shane Thomas here. Having a good day today. I hope everybody else is. I'd like to go over the last 5 sessions of the Partner with Anthony program just to give you a heads up as to what's coming along the way. Some really good stuff in here, and let's get started with session 26. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, notification button so you know when the new videos are coming out. There's going to be some more stuff in the future here. And also leave me a comment. That's most important. I sure like to see those comments. All right, session 26. What do we got? What's Anthony got in store for us today? So, under session 26, we got time of day planning. Now, this is basically where we're getting into when we want to send out the timings of our emails. There's as Anthony goes into this a little bit, you're going to see that if we just start up the video a little bit.
Okay. So
When to send, because what he's talking about here now is we got people, with different jobs, different timings. Some people may have the weekends off. Some people work night shifts, all that sort of stuff. So you want to try and figure out as to when you're going to be able to schedule those emails to go out. So that's something that we want to definitely get going. Uh, we want to find out when we can send that and get our most effective emails out to the people. Then he goes into copy versus clicks with sales. Now, what that is it really entails is he's talking about here is what type of copy. If you're just trying to get clicks, it's going to be a short copy, kind of factual, drive them to click on that link to get their email, and basically that's it. It's kind of a factual thing, logical. With when you're looking for sales, you're trying to I guess we use the word entice to get those prospects to read that sales copy. So your copy that you're writing in your email or in your ad at that point in time is more along the lines to hit all their pain points, describe what's going on, how this can help them, and the benefits that are going to come with it. So that's going to be a longer copy, more entailed, and there's more into it at that point in time. And just a little farther down here in our sessions, we're going to cover some copy stuff, which is really, really important. And the guy who teaches is incredible. Continuing YouTube success. This is where, as you make your YouTube videos, again, as in session 13, you can go back and you can submit your video in here, and there's the form. So as it goes in, other students as they come along, they're going to go in and comment on your YouTube videos, which in turn is going to enable the YouTube algorithm to start seeing that you're regularly contributing and you have some views, some likes. That's important to get going because that's where you're going to start to get those organic um, leads from. Homework for profits. Again, that's getting into some of the stuff that he's talking about. Is, when we're sending how to upload videos every week, send an email to your list about the video. So not only are you sending them value information on your emails, but you're also sending them a link with a video, which keeps you front and center. They're going to be more along the lines, more complacent to obviously maybe try out the stuff that you're suggesting, buy your products, or whatever you're trying to accomplish with your emails and your videos that you're sending. Remember, most of it got to be value. Value is the big thing there. Again, in here, Anthony highlights another one of his students is doing very well on YouTube. Is promoting Partner with Anthony ambassador programs plus all of our own programs. Something definitely you want to get into and have a look through. So once we're in there, we're getting in now to 27. Whoop, how we get to 20 or session 2? Okay, let's try this again here. Try session 27. All right. So metrics, email marketing metrics. What's going on there? What are we finding out? We want to see how our emails are being opened, whether they're being successful. If is there something else we can do along that? Again, anything with the analytics is going to help you with your program find out where you're going and how to get there. Reasons people fail. Pretty again, fairly straightforward. Anthony's
That part.
talking about
That
is
part,
is
no control.
what we've got with the email. So here he's talking about something that's kind of interesting. Is we know we control our email list, but there's a part that we can't control, and that's when they actually enter their email into the list. And this session is basically about how people will use a fake email address. So, your list grows, but you can't actually contact them. Or they may use a secondary email, which in turn is something that they might check once in a while, but it's just one of those things that they might use just to keep a lot of their inbox cleaned up. And the third problem is typos. Someone types in and they make a mistake typing it in, and so when you try and contact them back, it doesn't work for contacts. So there's another way in here that Anthony does have a promotion in here for joining mobile opt-in. You can get there, and that's just to amplify your chances of getting more opt-ins. And once again, we've got the student spotlight on some more students that are in the Partner with Anthony program. So this is now we're getting into stuff that is really interesting. I mean, all of it is interesting, but um, we're going to talk about our profit centers. Again, we want to review those. And coming up, this is where we're going to be able to add in Mr. Vossler's stuff in here, which we're coming up to. So introducing uh, response email marketing, it's a little different take on the normal. It's a little more detailed, something that's interesting. It's you are responding to an email that the actual prospect is sending you, as opposed to just the regular way where they enter an email address and you send them off an email. We're getting into copy introduction. Now, this is where Anthony is going to introduce copywriting and how important it is and what you need to know about it. A lot of people may want to use Fiverr to get some people to write your copy, or maybe Jim Edwards' copywriting success or secrets. Um, those sort of things are quite interesting online there. Now, in 28, session 28, um, that is again the copy introduction. Jumped ahead of myself. Session 29. Okay, Shawn Vossler. This is the guy who does a lot of copywriting for a lot of people. This is just an incredible sessions. The modules to go through. They're on average 15-20 minutes, maybe a little longer. Um, Creating your hook, compelling call to actions, putting it all together, tech tools that you might need. And in here, he's actually gone through and talks about revising the emails, like those email swipes that are you get from Partner with Anthony program or any other program that you might be using. How to do them. You just don't want to send them out blank. Shawn has a copywriting book that you can get into and download. Um, there's it's worth reading. It really isn't. It's a fantastic reference to go through. And then once we get into that, we're going to take into session 30, and this is all the rest of the information with the copywriting with Shawn. power of the landing page. And little surprise down the way here is that he actually gives you a couple of landing pages to use, which is fantastic. And all you got to do is kind of put your name in there. He's already authorized anybody in the Partner with Anthony program to use that. So that's the conclusion at session 30. As I said in the start with these reviews, there's just so much information in here. You don't get this type of stuff from just about anywhere that I've seen. I've seen lots of courses. So if for $7, if you just want to go through and just get all this training and use it for your own affiliate marketing or your own products or e-commerce or whatever you want to do, it is worth it. The You just learn so much ins and outs and all the little tricks of the trade, so to speak. Massive amounts of information. So that's my reviews on the Partner with Anthony program. There's going to be some other reviews coming up on different products that I use and other products that other people use and recommend. So again, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification button so you know when the new ones are coming out. Leave me a comment, and I certainly want to get back to you and try and comment on something or at least hit a like reply for you. So anyway, you have a good day. Hope you're doing well. And this is Shane Thomas saying bye for now. We'll talk to you soon.